Here's an example of an effectively designed learning unit in Moodle. So let's see here. It is the welcome unit for week 1. Let's get to know each other and be sure we know what's expected to be successful in this class. So over here it shows the expectations, rubric for evaluating online discussions, our first online discussion, which is the introduction forum, an introduction quiz, as well as some interesting videos to check out on YouTube, which are outside resources that are separate from the required texts. Down here I have a blurb for students that talks about the assignments that are due for each week, when they're due, what is due, how to complete them, and how to get full credit. Down here there's a reminder about the first project that students are going to have, and I let them know they need to refer to the syllabus for details. Also down here I've added in a little area that says important. I have made changes to the syllabus. Check it out and refer to it often. I think this is a good place on each page for each learning unit to have down at the bottom in case there are changes, along with other ways to alert students that there are changes, but just so that when they go on to their learning unit they can see that. I'm going to click over here on expectations. So with this, students are given the expectations for the course, and it lets them know to go back to the syllabus often if they need to review anything. Lets them know that they should not procrastinate because this is an online class and they need to go at their own pace. However, they need to keep up with the deadlines. I discuss the project and assignment dates and that they're listed in the syllabus, and that late work is not accepted. Also give them a way to message me if they're having trouble, which is a nice way for students to be able to know that they can have a private conversation between myself and the student. Also letting them know to check the news forum at the beginning of the class regularly, and that this is where there will be announcements for students. Let's go back. And let's see, the rubric for evaluating online discussions. This clearly shows the rubric, the criteria, the excellent, average, and poor. Then it shows down here the points for each one. So the students will clearly know if I'd like to get an excellent grade on this discussion forum, I am going to do these 2 things. Down here it also shows a text of what that rubric is. There's an introduction forum where students introduce themselves. There's a preview of that quiz, and it shows here, since it's the first week, we're doing introductions and we're reading over the syllabus. I've created a quiz for students to be read the expectations. They go through all the different things just so that I can make a check to make sure that students are on track and are where they need to be to start the course off. Let's see. Back here to the welcome page. So in this learning unit, I've given a description, the quiz.